today. A photo of those items that were seized is on the Toronto Police website.
And York Regional Police are setting up a command post near Yonge and Highway 7 in Richmond Hill as they search for a missing 19-year-old they describe as vulnerable. Tyler Skilton was last seen leaving his home on Tango Crescent near Yonge and Davis on Tuesday. Officers believe he boarded a bus at the Newmarket Terminal on Yonge Street and got off near Yonge and Highway 407 between 4 and 6 that evening. He was last reported seen near Highway 404 and John Street in Markham. Police and his family are concerned for his well-being. Investigators are asking people living in the area to check their properties and sheds. He's described as 5'7", 130 pounds, with a short beard and brown shoulder-length hair. A photo is posted on the York Police website.
It's 3:06. This is 680 News Radio. Well, some nice weekend news if you take the Gardiner out of Toronto. Not so much for transit. We'll tell you more about that in a second. But first, 680's Caitlin Lee with the latest on some